Students, today we will start with lesson number 7, that is auxiliary and modal verbs. So let us see first what is auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs or auxiliaries are helping verbs used with other verbs to form tenses, passive voice, questions, negatives, etc. or to express meanings like ability, permission, possibility, and necessity. Here is a list of auxiliaries. So let us see the list of auxiliaries. Be in bracket is given, am, is, was. Have in bracket is given, have, has, had. Do, does, did. Can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to. Need and dare are sometimes used as auxiliaries. Now students, let us see the usage. Auxiliaries come before the subject in questions and can be put before not. So when does auxiliaries come? Auxiliaries come before the subject in questions and can be put before not. So let us see examples are given here. She is busy. Now see in that pink box. Is she busy? So before the subject, here she is the subject. So before the subject, auxiliary is there, is. Is she busy? Then next, she is not busy. So before using not, there is auxiliary, that is. Okay, next example, he has arrived. So if you ask a question, has he arrived? So before the subject, he, auxiliary is there, that is has. Then next, he has not arrived. So before not, auxiliary is there, has. Okay. Next example, he can drive. Can he drive? So before the subject he, auxiliary is there, can. Next, he cannot drive. Here also before not, can is there, that is auxiliary. Next example, she should go. So, should she go? Before the subject she, should is there, that is auxiliary. Then next, she should not go. So before the not, auxiliary is there, that is should. Okay, understood? Now next point is that the auxiliaries be and have are used with ordinary verbs to form tenses. So what is given? The auxiliaries be and have are used with ordinary verbs to form tenses. Okay. So now let us see next page. See here, example is given. He is dancing. It is present continuous tense. Next example, they have videoed the program. It is present perfect tense. Third point, the auxiliary be is also used to make passive forms. Cheese is made from milk. The program was videoed. The auxiliary do is, next point, the auxiliary do is used to form questions and negatives in the simple present and simple past tenses. Example is given, she acts on TV. Does she act on TV? She does not act on TV. India won. Did India win? India did not win. Okay. So this was all about auxiliary verbs. Now let us learn next modal verbs. So let us first see the definition given about modal verbs. The auxiliaries can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought. Sometimes need and dare are called modal verbs or modals or modal auxiliaries. So have you all understood? Now let us see modal verbs. We often use modal verbs to talk about ability, permission, necessity, etc. Each modal verb has more than one use. After modal verbs, we use the base form of ordinary verbs. Ought is an exception. We use ought with the to infinity. For example, you ought to go. See the table below for their different usages. Now a table is given here. Modal, use, example. Now modal can. Use is given, ability. He can speak 5 languages. Ability means what? What you can do. So here example is given. He can speak 5 languages. Second, permission. So permission is been taken. Example is given. Can I use your phone? You can go now. Okay. Permission is given. Third, request. Can I have a glass of water, please? So request is been done here. Can you get me a ticket? Here also request is there. Fourth, offer. Can I help you? So here offer is given. Can I help you? Next, could. Ability. It's a past. I could swim when I was 7. So it is said about past. I could swim when I was 7. Second, request. Could you get me a ticket? More polite than can. So here request has been done. Next, may. Permission. You may use my computer. May I come in? So this was about permission. Second, possibility. He may come today. So possibility means he may come today. Okay, so this was examples. Now let's see on next page. Now another modals are might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought. So let us see first might. Permission. You might go now. So permission is given. Possibility. He might come today. Less sure than may. Will. Future action. Perhaps it will rain tonight. So it is a future. We are just saying that future action will be there. Perhaps it will rain out tonight. Request. Will you give me a lift? So request is been done. Offer. Will you have some tea? So offer is given. Would. Request. Would you lend me your camera? So request is been done. Offer. Would you like a cup of tea? So offer is asked. Then next, shall. Future action. I shall see him tomorrow. So future, it is going to happen. So future is there. Future action is there. I shall see him tomorrow. Offer. Shall I carry the bag for you? So offer is been given. Suggestion. Shall we go to the beach? So suggestion is given here. Then next, should. Necessity. You should apply for the job. So it is a necessity. You should apply for the job. Must. Necessity. I must get up at 5 tomorrow. Certainty. She must be at home now. So we are just saying certainly that she must be there at home. Ought. Necessity. You ought to obey your parents. Okay, so this was all about modal verbs. Now let us discuss exercise. Match the sentence on the left with the uses of the models on the right. So you have to match now. So let us see one by one. I must make a phone call. So now, which model will come? I must make a phone call. Its answer will be C option, necessity. Second one, she has walked a long way. She must be tired. Now here which model will come? A option, certainty. Then third, will you close the window please? Now which model will come here? E option, request. We will be away next weekend. Here which option will come? G, future action. So have you all understood? Next, she can speak French fluently. So which model will come here? Ability. B option, ability. Then sixth one, shall I get a taxi for you? So here I option, offer. 7. Shall we go for a swim? So here H option, suggestion. Next, 8th one. Can I go out? So here D option, permission. 9th. She may arrive tomorrow. So which model will come? Possibility, F option. Okay. And now the last 10th one. You ought to help him. Which option is there? J, necessity. So have you all understood till here? Okay, thank you.